Who built this?
Carrie, Loud Grandpa.
Loud Grandpa. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Loud Grandpa.
Nice work.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Wow, this is nice. I like this.
Yes, sir. I forgot to hold this thing so too much weight on now.
Oh, you reinforced the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, reinforce the whole truck.
Yeah. Nice. Who built this?
Carrie, Loud Grandpa.
Loud Grandpa. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Loud Grandpa.
Nice work. Are these ZV?
NSB4s.
NSB4 15s. Okay.
Yep.
On how much power?
Salt 6K.
Salt 6K.
Yes, sir.
Is it wired down?
I got them at half an ohm.
Okay.
Half an ohm, yep.
How much lithium?
I think it's a 45.
45?
Yeah.
Okay, king of lithium. Nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Want to throw me the keys? Hold it up.
Oh, man. What was your name?
Juan.
Juan.
Yes, sir.
Have y'all metered it yet?
I metered when I had the ZB5s. I actually just went to Orlando 2 days ago,
Okay.
about 3 days ago,
Yep.
and picked these up. But when I metered it the first time, it was just the ZB5s, and it hit a 151.
51, okay. So this is probably, you think louder? You feel it?
I would say it's louder, yeah.
Okay.
Yep,
All right.
yep.
All right. And what was it tuned to?
I believe Carrie said 25 hertz when we did it.
25? Oh, we're tuned low.
Yeah.
All right. You like the lows?
Yeah, it hits
Yeah.
real good on lows.
Yeah. Okay.
Found a good song.
Nice. Right by the amp rack is. You have a whole other baffle for the amp, and then you have the battery or amp isolators.
Oh yeah, yeah. We had used something else, and it would just snap the screws every single time we would. Every time we'd hit them lows, it would break a screw and break a screw.
Oh, so you had that issue too?
Yeah, it would break the screw, so I went with those right there.
Nice.
And it people, they'd be surprised with it.
I was gonna say, because it seems like it doesn't fall off down what, low 20s really well.
A lot of people have been telling me that, and they were like, "Hey, it don't fall off at all. It just sounds real good for 215s." Like since I got out here today, a lot of people's been coming out here and listening to it.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Looking forward to seeing it on YouTube.
Yes, sir. I do a lot of videos.
Oh yeah, I follow you. I told him I saw you out here. I said, "Hey, I hope we come to my show,
man.
maybe I
Yes,
get
sir.
on YouTube."
Yes, sir.
Thank you, boss.
You're welcome.
like to argue, so I sent the bitch to law school. Like to argue, so I sent the bitch to law school.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.